Nelson Mandela was one of the most respected leaders and human rights activists in modern history. He dedicated his life to the struggle against racial discrimination and fought for equality, justice, and freedom in South Africa. His journey from a young activist to a prisoner and eventually the first democratically elected black president of South Africa is a powerful story of courage, sacrifice, and forgiveness. Nelson Mandela was born on July 18, 1918, in the small village of Mvezo in the Eastern Cape region of South Africa. His birth name was Rolihlahla Mandela. He belonged to the Thembu royal family and received the English name Nelson from one of his teachers at school. As a young man, Mandela studied law and became one of the first black lawyers in South Africa. His education helped him understand the injustices faced by black South Africans under the system of racial segregation known as apartheid. In the 1940s, Mandela joined the African National Congress and became actively involved in the fight against apartheid. He organized protests, campaigns, and movements demanding equal rights for all citizens. The South African government considered his activities a threat and arrested him several times. In 1964, he was sentenced to life imprisonment and spent 27 years in prison, much of that time at Robben Island. Despite the harsh conditions of imprisonment, Mandela never gave up his belief in freedom and equality. His determination made him an international symbol of resistance against oppression. Due to increasing pressure from people and governments around the world, Mandela was released from prison on February 11, 1990. After his release, Mandela worked with political leaders to end apartheid and build a democratic South Africa where people of all races could live together peacefully. In 1994, South Africa held its first democratic election in which citizens of all races could vote. Mandela won the election and became the country's first black president. His leadership focused on reconciliation, peace, and healing the divisions created by decades of racial conflict. One of Mandela's greatest qualities was his ability to forgive his former enemies and promote unity rather than revenge. His commitment to peace earned him the Nobel Peace Prize, which he shared with F.W. de Klerk in 1993. Nelson Mandela retired from politics in 1999 but continued to work for humanitarian causes. He passed away on December 5, 2013, at the age of 95. Today, he is remembered as a global symbol of courage, perseverance, and the power of forgiveness. His famous belief that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world continues to inspire generations. Mandela's life teaches us that one person's determination and commitment to justice can transform a nation and leave a lasting impact on humanity.